Our formula is very simple. We take care of our folks so that they take care of our customers, and that takes care of our company. And I think that model will continue to serve us well. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary tonight. We started business here in Central Mississippi in 1986. We've since expanded out to the adjacent states, Louisiana, Alabama, Tennessee. But tonight marks the 25th year of our opening here in the Central Mississippi area.
How's the business changed over the last 25 years, both your company and then the industry?
Yeah, both obviously have evolved quite a bit. We often say that the half-life for anything we create in our business is about 6 months, and those timetables continue to shrink. But it's a much more sophisticated industry than it was then. We started life kind of delivering PC technology, often first computers for small and mid-sized businesses and departments of large businesses, and now with the sophisticated networking infrastructure and cloud architectures, our data center services. I mean, we really are the core mission-critical technology for enterprise organizations, small and mid-sized businesses, just a much more sophisticated than it ever has been.
Tell me about cloud and what you guys are doing in this area. It's kind of an emerging technology. It's kind of even a buzzword. Tell us about that.
It is, and it's a word that defines a computing framework that is sort of difficult to get your arms around. But what it really means is that a large pool of IT assets, physical assets, are sort of abstracted from the services that they deliver. So when you need to provision new applications, new IT services, prior to cloud technology, pretty much had to provision dedicated hardware, dedicated storage, dedicated servers, other dedicated hardware appliances and so forth that would service that particular application. That was very costly and took a lot of time to build and spin up and then manage and maintain. And with the cloud architecture, all the assets are sort of virtual, so they're kind of abstracted from what they ultimately will deliver, and so IT managers and network administrators can easily provision those services in cloud technologies. And we're a little unique in that we're a cloud builder, and that we help organizations build premise-based clouds, server storage, network infrastructure, security, wireless, and so forth. All of those are sort of components of a comprehensive cloud. And we're also a cloud provider, because we do operate a data center that is modeled or uses a cloud model, and we do deliver a number of IT services from our cloud. So, and many of our customers use a combination of both private clouds, that would be those on their premises, and public clouds, that would be from our data center. So it's a hybrid cloud environment.
Can you talk about your clients, just the types of clients you have, the different industries and sectors that you would help manage their IT infrastructure?
Yes, the good news about our industry is that virtually everybody is a customer. Everybody is using some form of information technology, or they're obviously not going to last very long. But enterprise organizations, large financial institutions, large healthcare institutions represent a lot of our clients. Large public sector agencies, state agencies, city, county governments, and so forth. Large manufacturers, utility companies, but we also have quite a number of small and mid-sized businesses, mostly organizations that have multiple sites, which is just about everybody nowadays, because that also includes teleworkers. When you include multiple sites, the level of complexity of an IT infrastructure goes up dramatically. You have to concern yourself with security and delivery of services across wide area links and things like that. So those are the sweet spot for us. We also have a very robust collaboration practice, and we deliver Cisco systems collaboration solutions, which include IP voice, desktop applications that are integrated with a voice solution, also video conferencing and video collaboration. Very strong practice, lots of projects underway, and those range from small, mid-sized customers that use our hosted services and very large customers that we build premise-based.
What's the biggest challenge that Venture Technologies is facing right now?
Well, the people is always a challenge, the shortage of people. Despite the unemployment the rather grim unemployment picture in our country today. In the IT sector, that's not the case. There's still a significant demand for IT talent, and there's a shortage of qualified IT folks, especially those that have a high level of skill on network infrastructures, which is what we primarily seek. We're constantly looking for those people, and we use lots of internet-based services to really peruse the entire world, frankly, for adequate talent and folks that will fit well within our culture. I would say the other challenge that has been constant since we started the business is not so much on technology itself and keeping up with technology, and that's what most people think. It's how it's delivered and the delivery mechanism. And I'll give you an example. When we started in business, if you wanted an IBM PC, you pretty much had to go to an IBM PC dealer. We were one of them. Now you can buy PCs in blister packs at Walmart, right? And we always knew that would be the case. But the way with cloud technologies, both public and private clouds, the delivery of IT services is ever changing, and we have to be aware of that, and we have to respond to that and sort of retool our business to account for that.
Okay, and where do you go in the next 25 years?
You know, I don't know. It's been a great ride. We've been very blessed, and it's been very rewarding for myself and my partner Norman, and of course our staff. And I get tremendous satisfaction out of providing a place to work and a good quality of life for the folks that work for us, but also the technology. The neat thing about our business is it does have such an impact on the quality of life of those who we serve. I get great satisfaction out of that. I see that continuing. The technology is going to continue to change. There's no question about that. But one thing that hasn't changed and has remained constant is people still do business with people. And ours is still a people business, regardless of how sophisticated. In fact, I would argue it's more of a people business today than even it was 25 years ago, because it was more of a commodity business back then and a transaction business, and now we are so entrenched with our customers, especially the larger customers and the small and mid-sized customers as well, where they rely on what we do so intently that we're in the trenches with them, and that relationship that we develop with them is critical. I see us continuing to bring on good people, working our customer base to establish those relationships, to build that trust, and deliver whatever solutions are on the horizon.
Right.